Which one did you like the best?
इससे पहले पहना
जो सबसे पहले पहना था.
ये सब ये सारी कार वाली
So Himanshi is our chief guest today for the launch of Onday store. We have Sanjay sir, who is the vice president. He's looking after the expansion. Priyanka, we have Priyanka Gupta. She is the director of the company, and we have Yuya. He's here from Japan to look after. He's the country head for Ondays here. So we have the three main people from the brand here, and of course Himanshi. So if you have questions, please
I would
go
request
ahead.
Mr. Malhotra if you can give a brief of the
Yeah,
brand.
yeah.
Sir, बैठ के
बैठ के दे दें?
Yeah.
Okay.
unique aspects that you're bringing
Okay.
to Chandigarh.
So first of all, welcome you, Himanshi, and you all to Ondays. And this is our fifth store in India. We are already 4 stores, one in Chennai, one in Hyderabad, 2 in Calcutta, and we aim to grow Ondays big time into India. So, and Ondays as a brand has got about 350 stores. It's basically a Japanese brand with all the assortment, all the equipment, everything being Japanese. So, quality is the best, I would say. And you can see, while you would have seen the store, the assortment is also the type of frames you have seen are also very different and very quality perfect. So we have, as far as we are concerned, Ondays 12 countries presently have this brand, and we are looking to expand further. As far as USPs are concerned, so why Ondays? So why Ondays is, first of all, it's Japanese technology and Japanese equipment and Japanese the frames. The second important thing is we provide you spectacles within 20 minutes. So this is I think this is a real big difference which we have, and people are sick of waiting for three to 4 days or maybe 5 days, in some cases even 7 to 8 days for a spectacle to be made. We make it in 20 minutes. Thirdly, we have, as far as we are concerned, we are totally customer centric. We are totally we don't want to waste time of customers. So we have a very simplified pricing system wherein we include the lenses in the frame and give you the price. And the lenses are the best lenses available, which are aspheric lenses, which normally people charge for. We don't charge for them, and we provide you all the coatings which people charge for over and above. We don't charge for them. So the hallmark is that we provide you an excellent spectacle at a price which is affordable. So that is another hallmark we have. So I think Ondays, we're doing well. We're doing well in all the stores we have opened, and hope to do exceedingly well in Chandigarh. We know that Chandigarh people like the quality, like the type of assortment we have. So it's going to rock, I suppose. Thank you.
Let us ask the pretty lady now.
Sorry?
Let us ask the pretty lady now how she feeling.
Thank you so much and very warm welcome to all of you.
Little love.
Little loud?
You
Okay.
can be-
I'm very soft actually. Sorry. So, very warm welcome to all of you and thank you for having me here. And I'm very glad कि I can speak in Punjabi, right? Not English. So ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਔਨ ਡੇਜ਼ ਸਟੋਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਲਾਂਚ ਹੋਇਆ ਐਂਡ ਇਨ ਬਰੀਫ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਛੋਟੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਲਦੀ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਖਤਮ ਕਰੀਏ ਸੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਫੈਸ਼ਨੇਬਲ ਫਰੇਮਸ ਨੇ ਐਜ਼ ਪਰ ਯੋਰ ਟੇਸਟ ਐਂਡ 20 ਮਿੰਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਿਲੀਵਰੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਔਨ ਦ ਸਪੌਟ ਲਾਈਕ 20 ਮਿੰਟਸ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਟ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪਾਰ ਵਾਲੀ ਫਰੇਮਸ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ
ਮਿਲ ਜਾਣਗੇ
Are you wearing something in your eyes? Or
No, it's
like
original.
Original?
जी
Wow.
So मेरी mom तो वो लोग gift मिले हैं thank you so second थोड़ी free eye testing on the spot अगर तुसी करवाना with the international standards and it's a Japanese brand and especially Japan to Chandigarh on the way all the way from Japan to Chandigarh like so you want me to wear right now
You have this one.
okay all right
Your choice. ਹੁਣ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
ਸੋ ਸਮ ਟਾਈਮ ਬਹੁਤ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ ਨਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਆਈ ਵੇਅਰ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਾਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ 2-2 3-3 ਦਿਨ ਵੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਇਟਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਕਿ 20 ਮਿੰਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਿਲੀਵਰੀ ਐਂਡ ਫੈਸ਼ਨੇਬਲ ਐਂਡ ਵੈਰੀ ਅਫੋਰਡੇਬਲ मतलब पॉकेट ਨੂੰ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਵੀ ਹਾਰਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਅਫੋਰਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੋ ਔਰ ਸਟੋਰ ਦੀ ਵਾਈਬ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਇਟਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਐਂਡ ਵੈਰੀ ਵਾਈਬ੍ਰੈਂਟ so I'm very happy that I'm associated with this brand.
You're the brand ambassador of this brand? Are you?
We
Sort
will
of,
be.
sort of. Punjab ਚ ਤਾਂ ਹੈ but obviously Elante is the main hub and Elante ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇ store ਹੈ ਤੇ sort of brand ambassador ਹੀ ਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੰਨ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ
घर तो बाहर आके किस तरह लग रहा है Bigg Boss?
Bigg Boss ਤੋਂ I'm still in that state of mind ਹਲੇ ਫੋਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾ ਘਰਦਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਐਂਡ ਇਟਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਉੱਥੇ ਸਰਵਾਈਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੋ ਹਲੇ ਤੱਕ ਮੈਂ ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਲੋਕ ਦਿਖ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਨਾ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ 40 ਦਿਨ ਕੋਈ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੋ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਹੈਪੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ
Experience. कुछ changes आए हैं लाइफ
ਯਾ ਲਾਈਫ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਪਰਸਪੈਕਟਿਵ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ
की पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव?
obviously positive ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਘਰਦਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੂਰ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਘਰਦਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਸੋ ਇਟਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੋਰ ਕਲੋਜ਼ ਹੋਈ ਹਾਂ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
मैम आप भी सेम क्लासेस पहले
She
हो?
is the director
I know.
with Owndays.
जी बताया था अभी. तो मैम क्या are you wearing the same glasses?
Right now I'm not wearing, but I have a couple of Owndays pairs. Didn't match my outfit today. But I would say in Japanese, Minari Yokoso. I really am really happy that you all came to witness our brand. Owndays is really close to me and my father's heart. I used to live in Japan, and at that point of time, my father and me both decided that we must do some business with India, you know, because I want to be able to create change in the Indian economy. I want to be able to find industries here, and seeing this dream come alive here, seeing people here in India love this brand, love the culture. I consider myself half Japanese, half Indian, even though I'm Indian, I'm very both. So it's also a piece of my heart and my culture. So thank you so much.
The only thing is that Owndays is a very different concept. It's a concept wherein it's an open store concept. तो यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग आते हैं मॉल में आते हैं so they just walk into the store seeing the vibrance in the store as Himanshi had put it है और हमारे products हैं the right stuff so जो आई टेस्टिंग वगैरह भी करते हैं वो